Good morning, good morning, good morning, you guys. Welcome to Technique Tuesday. I'm Lindsay Brantley, the founder of Camellia Alise and the Camellia Alise Academy, and I'm super excited to be here with you guys today. I missed you guys. Last week I was at the IECSC Summit. For those of you guys that I was able to meet in person, I enjoyed it. I had such a great time and look forward to meeting some of you guys in person soon as well. And just a couple of quick announcements, you guys. For those of you guys who have not seen it yet, I am doing an in-person summit October 25th. So anyone in the Houston area that's interested, please let me know so that you guys can come and do. I'm only taking 10 people. It's a one-on-one kind of intimate business experience where I'll go a little bit more in depth on building your business strategy, social media audits. That is October 25th. We're going to be starting at 9 a.m. and we will do at least 8 hours. It also includes food, wine, breakfast, lunch. So just wanted to let you guys know if anybody is local and interested, please DM us. So today, you guys, we're going to be talking about infrared technology. I get asked a lot, you guys, about the infrared sauna blankets versus the infrared machine. So I actually decided to do this class with the infrared machine so you can see it. I'm going to make today pretty brief because I'm doing a 2-day master instructor course and it starts at 9. So we're going to jump right into today's topic. And if y'all have questions, as always, comment and I will answer them as much as I can. So there's 2 different infrared technologies. So when we talk about infrared services, you have 2 different options. One is the one that you see right behind me. This is a 2-person infrared sauna. Okay, so that's the first one. The second one, when we talk about body wraps, is going to be the infrared blanket. Okay, so let's talk about the difference and the benefits in the 2 and which one you should be using when. Okay, so the first big difference that you'll notice automatically is size, right? So the infrared sauna blanket is very easy to put in. We actually keep ours folded in an ottoman. It's easy to take out, put in. It's for 1 person versus this being for 2 people. So that's the first thing right off the bat is if you don't have a lot of space, then this is not going to be for you. You definitely want to start with the blanket. So that's the first thing. Size and enclosure makes a big difference. The second thing, you guys, is going to be cost and maintenance with these 2 technologies, okay? So the infrared blankets, we sell them online for $199, and we maintain all of the warranties and everything for your infrared blankets. This machine, these start off around $2,000. A good one is going to start off around $2,000, and then they're going to go up from there, okay? The other thing, of course, is that 2 people can get in this, 1 person gets in the infrared sauna. But let's talk about the benefits when it comes to body sculpting and spa services, okay? So if you have a client that is specifically looking to lose weight, okay, and you're like, okay, I'm going to help you lose weight, lose inches together, the infrared blanket is what I recommend because it's going to bring your body's core temperature up faster, keep it up longer, and it's more concentrated on the body. So you're actually able to get those fat cells moving and speed up your client's metabolism. These machines don't go up as high in heat, okay? So the heat is not as high here. And you typically don't want to keep your clients in this one as long. Now, this is good for full body, but so is the other one. The only difference is the head. With the blanket, your head is out. With this one, your whole body is in. But we don't keep clients in here over 30 minutes, okay? Whereas with the infrared, you can use a higher heat, keep them in there 45 minutes. They're going to sweat a lot more. It's also easier to clean the smaller machine than it is this one, because this one we have to sanitize every day when clients are in there sweating and doing all this stuff. But with the infrared blanket, I show you guys how to actually put the plastic around so that your clients are never sweating directly in the infrared blanket, and it's easy to take that plastic, throw it away, good to go, you're done. Okay, so now, if you are asking me which one is going to be better for my client if she's trying to lose weight, it's going to be infrared blanket. If you're going to ask me which one is better for a client to just do an overall detox, it's going to be the 2-person sauna, Okay, so for your purposes, I would definitely say the infrared blanket. Okay, now some other differences between the two machines is going to be your assembly and installation. Now, when you are getting the infrared blanket, you are going to get a machine, like the actual control panel. You're going to get the blanket itself, which is going to plug into it, and then you're going to have a wall plug. 3 pieces, okay, that you have to make sure that it's connected correctly. You have to know the proper settings for that machine, and you have to know the proper timings, okay? Because if you have a client that, let's say, has cancer, there are certain levels you can't put them on in an infrared blanket versus this machine, okay? Now, this one for assembly, I pay somebody. It takes a while. There are little like snaps on it that kind of tell you where to go, but there's heat elements that have to be plugged in correctly. It's not a one-person job either, because you need somebody else to help you when you're holding the pieces up, the panels, the lights have to be connected correctly. So there's a lot that comes along with this. But this is a great, like I said, overall detox service for a spa, yes. But for weight loss, my clients are not going to get in there. Now, it is easier sometimes if you have a client in a body wrap and they have issues with space or claustrophobic. Okay, if your client is a claustrophobic client, then this might be a lot better for them than the sauna blanket. We have literally had some clients that we've got them wrapped up for their body wraps, and we've had to put them in the sauna because they couldn't take the blanket, because the heat elements are right there directly on their body, and they're heating up those body parts more intensely. So the infrared blanket is definitely more intense, so it doesn't always work for some clients. So this is a good alternative for it. But once again, the cost is very different. The space that it takes is very different. Maintenance and cleaning is very different as well. Now, when it comes to maintaining your infrared blanket, because sometimes people ask me, like, what do I have to do? You have to make sure you're cleaning it after every client. You have to make sure that you're lining it with plastic with every client to make sure that it's nice and clean. This one, we have to sanitize. We got to spray inside. We have to do a lot of different things, right? So it just depends on what you're doing. This machine, though, once it's up and running, all we have to do is sanitize the inside. We don't have to do anything else. Whereas with the infrared blanket, you're having to take the plastic out, wipe it out, leave it open so that it airs out between clients. So there is a little bit more to it. Some frequently asked questions that clients and spa owners will ask is, does it hurt? No, it doesn't hurt. It's intense heat, though. Both of them are going to be intense heat. So the client's going to feel heat. They're going to sweat. Like I said, if they're claustrophobic, the blanket might not be for them. This might be better. Clients ask, how long do they have to be in it? If you're doing the infrared blanket, it's normally going to be about 45 minutes. If you're doing a service like this and it's just a general detox, clients can be in here between 15 and 30 minutes. So once again, it's a difference in timing. Cost is also different, okay? So if I am just allowing the client to upgrade, let's say they come into the spa and they've got a massage and they want to do this. Normally, we'll just upgrade them for $50. If someone's coming in and they're just getting the service, it's, I think, $59 or $69 to use the infrared. Whereas when I am doing an infrared body wrap for weight loss, that's $99 and up, right? Because I'm putting special creams on you. I'm doing different things to you. I'm making sure that you're in that blanket longer, so it's taking up more of my time. So for infrared services, we start off at $99 and above. So you can make more money with less entry point and less space when you have the infrared blanket versus getting this one. So it really just depends on you guys. I tell you guys all the time, what are your clients asking for? What are you providing them? Because those are the things that are going to tell you what you should and shouldn't be offering and what you should and shouldn't be investing in. Do you need to make a $2,000 investment when you can make a $200 investment, right? Do you have the space for it? Do you have the time for the maintenance? But what are your clients asking for, right? If you know that your clients would like to get their service, get their body contouring service, but then have some kind of amenity or for you to add to an experience so that they get to sit and hang around a little bit longer, then yes, it might be worth it. But if a client is just saying, I just want weight loss, I need you to help me lose these pounds, then get an infrared blanket. Now, also, let me say this about the infrared blankets, you guys. There are two very different sizes. There's probably a few different ones now, but there's two very different sizes that we use. You have a regular and you have an XL one. The XL blanket is going to be better for clients that are 200 pounds plus, if you know you have like a larger client, or for guys and taller clients. So if you have somebody that's over 6 feet tall, okay, then you don't want to use the traditional blanket, because when you're zipping it up, it's going to be very hard to get over their shoulders. It's normally going to stop about here, and then you're going to have to do something special to keep the heat in, okay? So also think about your clientele when you're buying things, right? Am I going to need something that's bigger that can fit a client that I know is larger because my clientele is larger or my clientele is taller? Then you're going to need to decide on which kind of blanket to get. And once again, because I know you guys are coming in and out, so I like to repeat it over and over again. If you have a clientele where most of your clients are over 200 pounds, or if you have a taller clientele where you know most of your clients are 6 feet and over, you need the extra large bed, not the regular one, because they're not going to fit in it well. Their feet, by the time their feet hit the bottom, you can't zip it up over their shoulders, or it's going to be so tight on them when you're trying to zip it that it's not going to be comfortable. Okay, so think about the size of your clientele. Think about what your client is asking for when you're trying to decide what to invest on. Think about the space that you have available. And overall, think about your capacity, right? Because are you going to have the capacity to operate this one and that one, and have a client in this room and check on the other client in that room? They're still in the infrared. Let me go check every 15 minutes. So that's what you have to think about when you're thinking about infrared services and adding them to your body sculpting practice. I hope that I've answered a few questions. You guys, at the bottom, comment below. Let me know if you have an infrared blanket, if you have a sauna. Do you like it? Do you feel like you're getting your money's worth? Your clients are getting their money's worth? Are you thinking about incorporating it and have more questions? Please just send them over to us. We love answering you guys' questions. Next week, I'm going to be doing more of a business-related topic, so feel free to send questions when it comes to business so that we can answer a couple of those as well. Thank you guys so much for joining Technique Tuesday today. I will see you guys next Tuesday. Y'all have an amazing and wonderful week ahead.